Nessa Sunshine here, and today we are getting into the new Colourpop Orange Glad palette. They're just so punny. So we're gonna get into a tutorial, meaning we're only gonna be using 2 shadows today. So I'm gonna get this very simple wearable look using this new palette. And if you wanna see how to do that well, subscribe to my channel and let's get into the tutorial. The first shadow I will use is Creamicle. And I will be using the BH Cosmetics number 18 blending brush. I like to slowly build. It's like an insurance of some sort. Blend it with the tip of the brush, kind of above the crease of the eyelid, over the crease, on the brow bone even. And I'm blending in swiper motion. Now what I'm going to do on the outer corner is blend in a circular motion. If you need, you can do tiny circular motions. If you feel like you have more space, go ahead and make big circular motions as you do the outer corner. I'm going to take a little bit more, and I'm just brushing it kind of all over the eyelid with the tip of the brush. Blending it back and forth all over. I'll go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. If you want to build these shadows up, you can build them up. That's one thing I really do like about Colourpop palettes. You can build up the shadow really easily. There is an airplane, I'm sorry about that. If you want to build up, you can continue to make it even more and more and more intense. The colors are buildable. There is a lot of fallout, but I really don't care about that. I've used the Ya Peel Me and the Sun-Kissed shade yesterday, and those are really nice. Really beautiful. They look like a sun on my eye. Yeah, I really like those. I did not record that one, but this is a simple sort of eye look that everyone will kind of be able to wear. Orange isn't a color that everybody just is like, let me get that orange eyeshadow on. I mean, I have contacts on, but like if you have lighter color eyes, that combination is such a nice combination. And brown eyes look so nice with orange, like brown and orange. Yes, I wanted to throw in my 2 cents. I know this is a new palette, so yeah, I'm just gonna add Creamicle to the other side, and then if you do end up getting this palette and you are following this tutorial, go ahead and add Creamicle to your desire, and then we'll get into the next shade. This is gonna be super simple, super simple. Now I will be adding the shimmer shade Squeeze Me. To apply the shimmer, I'll be using the number 7 blending brush from the Take Me Back to Brazil brushes. So I'm taking my blending brush into Squeeze Me just like this. I'm pressing just the one side instead of turning it over. I'm just using one side right now. I am going to spray my brush, and the reason I do that is because it helps the shimmer excuse me. When I see a little bit of looseness in the shimmer on the blending brush and I spray it, it like melts the shimmer into the brush and helps it to not like fall out all over here. You usually don't see it when I do, but shimmer will fall all over down. And I mean, that's what happens with fallout, but since it is a shimmer, I can spray it. Okay, enough of that. Now holding my brush horizontally, parallel to the ground, moving it this way. So I am using swiper motions, and even though I'm going like this back and forth, I'm only swiping out. So I'll go ahead and continue. As I move in closer to the inner corner, I tilt my brush. I can either hold it like a pencil toward me, or I hold it like very lightly at the tip, like that, like a wand. And I look down so that my eyelids are smooth, and I move it at a tilt using the tip and edge of the brush. I'm still using the sides of the brush, but more of the tip. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, I love Colourpop. I love Colourpop, but I love their shadows. Their shadows are really good, really affordable. You can create like super wearable looks and super dramatic, like intense looks too. So over here, I'm going to take the very base of my brush and just kind of blend it over here so that it's slightly, there's another plane. And I can go back in with my other brush and blend over that section with the tip of the brush so that it's just diffused. Personally, I don't like to bring my shimmer all the way to the outer corner. I like it to be diffused out to the outer corner. So that is why I take like, I don't take any more shimmer and I just kind of keep blending it very gently. I might use another brush at the edge so that it's blended out, and I get this really beautiful 2 shadow eye look. Like, this is a 2torial, and you can make this combination with so many. I love that it's like one color and you can make all kinds of orange looks just by combining a shimmer and a matte. You can go fully matte, but I really like shimmer and matte, like that combination. I really like it. While we're at it, before our makeup miracle moment, we're gonna get into, well, I'm gonna get into my lashes and my face makeup off camera. So these are the Lotus Lashes in the style, I think these are number 68. If you are following along, you can pop on lashes, do your mascara. Even with this kind of like a 2torial, I would just put mascara, really curl my lashes, put on some beautiful mascara. I'll pop those on, and in a makeup miracle moment, we'll come back together. And kapow, we have a makeup miracle moment, so I have my face on. Let's get into the lower lash line with one of the 2 shadows that we're using today. I'll be going back into Creamicle for the lower lash line. And I'll be using the number 5 brush from the Take Me Back to Brazil collection from BH Cosmetics. It's a thicker flat brush. I'm placing it all under the eye, all across. I might use this brush, the number 18 blending brush, to blend it a little. So make sure to add Creamicle to the lower lashes. I will be using the Thrive Lash Extension Mascara. You'll see me do that up there. And then for lips, I will tell you at the end of the video. For lips today, I will be using the lip filler lip liner in the shade Jessie from Thrive Causemetics. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial using the new Orange Glad palette from Colourpop. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and follow me on Instagram. Why not? At Nessa Sunshine. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Bye now.